Welcome to your guide on discovering the top 6 benefits of Tesla solar panels. Here at the Energy Professor, we want to give you the information that you need to not only save money on your energy bill, but to also become more energy efficient. We hope you find this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Tesla solar panels have become a popular choice for homeowners and businesses looking to adopt sustainable energy solutions. As part of Tesla's commitment to reducing global carbon emissions, their solar products offer several advantages over traditional systems. Here are the key benefits of choosing Tesla solar panels. Number 1. Efficiency and high performance design. Tesla solar panels are known for their high efficiency, meaning that they can capture more sunlight and convert it to usable electricity. Their sleek, low-profile design is more aesthetically pleasing than traditional panels, as they seamlessly blend into your roof, often appearing nearly invisible. Number 2. Energy independence. By installing Tesla solar panels, you can generate your own electricity, which reduces your dependence on the grid. This is especially valuable in regions with high electricity costs or areas prone to power outages. Tesla's solar solutions, combined with their Powerwall battery storage, allow you to store excess energy for later use, providing power during nighttime or on cloudy days. Number 3. Sustainability and environmental impact. Tesla's solar panels harness clean, renewable energy from the sun, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and helping lower your carbon footprint. By switching to solar, homeowners can contribute to a greener planet and help reduce their contribution to climate change by reducing their greenhouse gas emissions. Number 4. Cost savings and financial incentives. The initial cost of installing Tesla solar panels can be significant, even though they often result in long-term savings on electricity bills. Tesla offers financing options, and solar customers may also benefit from federal, state, or local incentives and tax credits that can reduce installation costs. Additionally, by generating your own power, you can protect yourself from rising electricity prices over time. Number 5. Durability and warranty. Tesla solar panels are built to last. They come with a 25-year warranty, ensuring peace of mind with regard to product quality and performance. The panels are engineered to withstand harsh weather conditions such as high winds and snow, providing long-term reliability and durability. And finally, number 6. Seamless integration with the Tesla ecosystem. For those already invested in Tesla products such as electric vehicles and Powerwall batteries, the integration of a Tesla solar panel system is particularly appealing. The entire Tesla ecosystem works together seamlessly, allowing for better energy management and monitoring through the Tesla app. Tesla solar panels offer numerous benefits, including high efficiency, cost savings, and reduced environmental impact. By investing in these advanced solar technologies, customers can control their energy needs, reduce their reliance on the grid, and contribute to sustainable futures. If you're looking for more ways to increase the energy efficiency and sustainability in your home, be sure to take a look at all the latest renewable energy options in your area. The Energy Professor helps residential and small business owners find qualified energy suppliers in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Texas, Ohio, Maryland, Illinois, and Massachusetts. Thank you so much for watching, happy savings, and we'll see you in the next video.